Hello, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, kids, do you all know what date is today? Can anyone tell me? Yes, today is 8th March. And do you know why this is a special day? Because 8th March is celebrated as Women's Day. And children, do you know who are the important women in our life? Yes, it's our mama, our grandma, sisters, and when you come to school, it's your teacher. You all are little girls now, but when you grow up, you will become strong, independent women. Kids, do you know why is Women's Day celebrated? Well, it is the day to say thank you to all the women who take care of us, educate us, inspire us, protect us, and help us to understand about the right and wrong things which we may have faced in our life. A school which is a girls' school also educates our little girls to help you to become good people. When you study hard and do well in school, it will help you to become a good teacher, doctors, or any other person you wish to be. In our country, we have many women who have helped others to come up in their life. Women like Savitribai Phule opened the first school for girls and helped all of us to be educated. Some of other important women in our country are Mrs. Indira Gandhi, our first Prime Minister of India. Mrs. Anandibai Joshi, the first woman doctor of India. Kalpana Chawla, first Indian women astronaut, are few of them who have inspired us to do our best. These great women made us understand that education of girl child is very important, as then she will take her family and even the country. As little girls, this day helps to be inspired by these great women. It reminds us that we should not be afraid of any person or situation in our life. Whether you wish to become a pilot, a police officer, or even an astronaut. With hard work and good education, all of us can achieve whatever we want. All of us should be proud of being a woman and be inspired by all the women in our life. We all should be proud of being a part of Royal Girls High School, where the main aim is to focus on girls' education. So, kids, on this very special day, I would like to wish you all a happy Women's Day.